Hey, Dr. Adam here. Wanted to hop online, go through um, the topic of arthritis. And let's start with, what does arthritis even mean? So, arth means joint, and itis is inflammation. So, inflammation of a joint. Now, there are multiple types of arthritis. The most common, and if we all live long enough, we will get some form of osteoarthritis. So, that means degeneration of a joint specifically. And osteoarthritis can happen as a result of a fall accident, car accident, slip, broken bone, just how your body wears out unevenly over time. So unequal pressure through a joint over time can cause osteoarthritis. Let's take an example of, disc degeneration is a form of osteoarthritis. So it is a more specific type. And if that happens at one level in the spine, why doesn't it happen at all the other levels? And it's really more of a mechanical issue or an uneven pressure on a joint, because the joint above that let's say is functioning well and doesn't have arthritis, is the same age as the one that does. So um, that is the one that chiropractic helps out the most with, osteoarthritis. A lack of motion leads to degenerative changes. So your spine was made to protect the nervous system, the nerves, the spinal cord, but it was also made to move. And if it's not moving properly, it can wear out in certain spots. So with chiropractic, restoring movement and motion, changing movement patterns, where muscles that are tense or tight connect to a spine, and changing the structure or shape of your spine can have a tremendous effect. Now, let's say, and even with preventing arthritis from forming, if there is arthritis, it prevents it from continuing to get worse by correcting the shape of your spine and keeping that movement. Now, let's talk about a few other forms of arthritis that have to do with the metabolic system, or really inflammation. Um, Rheumatoid arthritis attacks the fluid within your joints. It shows up most often in the hands, but can be anywhere along the spine, or any joint that has fluid in it, which is most of, if not all of your joints. Um, there's psoriatic, reactive. Um, there are multiple types of arthritis that can be diagnosed via like blood tests, but controlling whole body inflammation or thinking about the root cause can help in a lot of those cases. Now, in certain cases, there's a giant metabolic component to it. That's why we have a nutritionist. If you suffer from any one of these more severe forms of arthritis, talk to your doctor, talk to our nutritionist. There are many joint supplements that can help to create cushion as far as collagen. There are different types of collagen. There are different types of things that are good for your joints as far as reducing inflammation with like omega 3s. So a lot of things that you can absolutely do to help. It does take time, but you are worth it. Hope you're staying happy, healthy, and strong.